Okay, there is the whole paper, right? Okay. On the first one it says heredity is the passing of traits from parents to offspring. The next square says a trait is a physical characteristic of an organism. The next place says the study of how traits are passed from parents to offspring is called genetics. There is this picture here of a gene, okay, and then DNA and a chromosome. A gene is a small section of DNA on a chromosome that has information about a trait. Am I even recording? Okay. The next section up here says allele. I don't know what that says. Each gene of a gene pain variations are the different ways that a certain trait appears. Mutation is a change in a gene or chromosome. And the rest is blank. On the other side, you have it split in two sections. The front section says genetics, the study of science, with your name up here in the corner. The back says PCT, divided into two sections that say yes and no, and you have two check marks on the yes.
No, not yet.